Oh.
Jesus.
Oh. Oh.
I don't give a shit. I'm getting new fenders.
So what we doing today?
Putting in some Raceland Coilovers.
You saw what now?
Doobie Coilovers.
Yeah, check them out. Colin just got them today, right?
Yeah.
Today. Woo.
Do you want to grab me a 13?
Are you asking me or telling me?
Either one. The 2 bolts up top and 1 on the bottom around back.
I like your hand gestures.
So I got my persuasion bar.
Zosa's got his top end torn apart. You know. What are you doing on the valves?
Valve cover gasket shot, so it leaked oil all into my coil packs and spark plugs.
You.
Yo.
What you got going on right here?
What's up? This could be a pain to get to.
Yeah, I hated doing this. So my Jetta, my stupid ass went down landmine trails, and I bottomed out, and I broke the strut mount.
Oh.
Yep.
Suspension is all new to me.
Suspension. Is this adjustable, by the way?
I can drop my car 1 inch to 3 inch.
And do you have the claws to do it? Nice. So it did not come with the boots, because this is for your fronts. But it did come with the new mount, so. Nope.
Just be near the right corner.
It came with this.
Yeah. Swivel in links.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Oh well.
Whatever.
I should have brought impact. Come on, you. Almost there. I think I got it.
Want me to go at it?
You got it. Whoa! You.
That's gross.
Peppercorn syphilites.
Okay. It looks like there's
15. Maybe it's 16. 15. Get it there. Okay. There's the one back here. I'm guessing that's a 16 as well.
probably.
Where'd my water go? My water.
A wobble.
Wawawa.
Yeah, I'm with it. I think it's sick.
Ooh, nice. Keep her going.
There's like no shoulder room here. I'm so squished.
Oh yeah, we need a lift.
This thing must be so rusty.
Yeah, we should probably throw on some WD on that. Oh Jesus! Wait, we were just tightening.
You were tightening it? There's another ad playing. Oh. Screw you, ad. Can't click it with gloves. This is not a Subi, it's a Volkswagen. Had to get a Volkswagen. There you go.
My neck, my back.
My pussy and my crack.
Yeah. We're simple guys here. We see a car, we get like. Thankyou. I don't like that.
I don't need it.
On to the other side. can't see.
We got this off on the other side.
And now the bottom, again, is so rusted on there. Why? Why Volkswagen? This might be a 2-day thing. Might do the back tonight, do the front tomorrow. Where's the light? Where's the light? Hopefully my hand doesn't fly off.
Right.
Okay, now see if you can take it off. Whoa! Let's do the other side. Oh, the other one fell off too! Perfect!
Think it's a little different? Oh, look at this! Look at the size, dude!
Oh my lord. This thing's gonna be dropped. Woo!
Cool. Time for the install.
Here's the install. New spring, new strut.
Yes, sir.
Woo! We'll get to you when we get to the other side, boy. Alright, other side. Going up. Let me know. Walk in mint.
Oh yeah, that's a thing too.
Seafoam it.
Fender so bad.
Because literally for the fronts, you just take this bolt off and loosen this up right here, and that's it. And the whole freaking front just drops.
On back of the passenger.
All right. Oh my lord, it's almost out. Come on.
Ooh, we don't want to hit the rotor.
You don't know. It's coming, dude.
Ah. Ow.
Low battery. I will see you guys tomorrow. Yes, it does. Peace. Alright, so we finally did it. It was a bitch. Are we gonna put it on or are we gonna leave it like that for now?
Might as well see if we can put it on.
Alright, let's go.
What's up, guys? So this is a little update video because I forgot to film most of the work just because it was really hard to work on. Old car, rusted stuff, not fun, not good content. I've cleaned my intake. I set up my crack pipe. You can't really see it from here, but you can see the start of the cooling flange. Coilovers are done. It's kind of hard to see with the glare, but it's sitting pretty nice. And on the inside, my buddy Dan was able to get these installed. That's pretty nice. And then, newest pickup today, got some new rims. I got it sitting pretty good. I haven't measured how low that I'm sitting yet, but I'm guessing it's around, because we went 2.25 inches up from all the way down to the coilovers. Because it's just a regular Raceland. This is how you know we've been working on the car. What's on the list next is headlights and a short shifter, a tune. I eventually want to get a new front bumper, which is right here. I'm looking at new headlights, which is also right here. I think that's mainly it. I did a complete oil change. I've been working on it for a while, so it's probably not going to come out anytime soon. I'm still going to do a little bit of work, but yeah, that's the update. Catch you next time.